to do the car alarm challenge. So let's get to it. Coy's gonna record for me. Yeah, sensitive.
There's a range.
Okay guys, so I was sitting here editing the video and I realized that I didn't record anything much of me talking last night. I was trying to do the car alarm challenge, as you can tell, and when I was going through the parking garage, there wasn't any cars in there, so I couldn't really get a good challenge in for you guys, but I'm still going to throw this up, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. But I am going to go back to Pittsburgh again another day during the day and try this again for you guys, because I really want to try the video and see if I can set off any car alarms, because it sounds fun. I was watching Dylan Hawkins do it, and he's done it like 3 times, and my car, it has a full exhaust, and his doesn't. Well, he kind of has a full exhaust now. He has a downpipe and a catback, but before he didn't have the downpipe, and he was setting car alarms off. So I should be able to set off some car alarms, and hopefully pretty soon here I'll be able to do that for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, so the first attempt was a fail at the car alarm challenge, so we're gonna try again. I don't think there's enough cars, so I'm probably gonna come back and try it again a different day. But I'm gonna go back down and try it again. We don't go through the actual cars on this thing.
Well, boys, never mind on the attempt.
So there is some big things coming up here in the near future. Me and Steven are working with some people. So we're gonna have some collaborations, and hopefully some big things are gonna be happening. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm really sorry I've been doing this lately, ending the video the next day and everything. But thank you guys so much for watching as usual. Make sure, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Yeah. Got no friends next to me in the midst.